What does it take to make billion-dollar deals, dominate skylines, and build an empire with your name on it? Welcome to Trump, the art of the deal. Donald Trump's blueprint to winning in business and life. Part 1. The mindset of a dealmaker. Trump's philosophy begins with a simple but powerful idea. Think big. He believes deal-making is part instinct, part guts, and part relentless ambition. In his words, I aim very high and then I just keep pushing and pushing and pushing to get what I'm after. Trump argues that great entrepreneurs are born, not made. While education matters, it's the instincts and the will to win that separate success from mediocrity. He learned this early on from his father, Fred Trump, a prominent real estate developer in Brooklyn. Young Donald observed how deals were made and how every penny counted. Part 2. The deal-making process. The core of the book centers around Trump's 11 deal-making principles. Let's explore a few that define his style. 1. Maximize press coverage. Trump sees the media as a tool. Whether the story is good or bad, attention creates value. Even a critical story, which may be hurtful personally, can be very valuable to your business. Instead of buying ads, Trump leveraged headlines. His bold ideas, like building the world's tallest building, were magnets for press, fueling interest and raising the perceived value of his projects. 2. Truthful hyperbole. Trump believes in playing to people's fantasies. He uses truthful hyperbole, an innocent form of exaggeration, to make projects sound grand and irresistible. People want to believe that something is the biggest and the greatest and the most spectacular. 3. Always deliver. No matter how much you hype, you must follow through. Trump emphasizes delivering quality that backs up the promotion. That's how he ensured that buildings like Trump Tower became icons. 4. Fight back. When attacked or treated unfairly, Trump strikes back hard. He views confrontation as a necessary strategy. My general attitude all my life has been to fight back very hard. Whether it was city officials denying tax breaks or partners underperforming, Trump would fight in court, in business, or in the media to protect his interests. Part 3. Lessons from the deals. The book takes us behind the scenes of some of Trump's most famous deals. Trump Tower. He transformed a neglected department store site into one of the most prestigious properties in Manhattan. Every detail was carefully chosen, from Italian marble to gold-plated escalators. Woolman Rink. The city failed for years to fix this Central Park ice rink. Trump completed it in 6 months. Under budget. It was a PR triumph. Mar-a-Lago. Trump bought the opulent Florida estate for a fraction of its value by patiently negotiating after other buyers failed to close. He also describes deals that didn't go through and the value of walking away. His key principle: don't fall in love with a deal. If the numbers don't work, cut your losses. Part 4. The Trump Formula. Here's the distilled formula from the art of the deal. Think big. Protect the downside, and the upside will take care of itself. Know your market. Use leverage. Enhance your location. Get the word out. Fight back. Deliver the goods. Contain the costs. Have fun. These are more than rules. They're a worldview. Trump treats life as a game he intends to win, and he enjoys every part of the play. The art of the deal isn't just a business memoir. It's a playbook for confidence, courage, and ambition. Love him or hate him, Trump's legacy is built on the deals he made, the risks he took, and the vision he sold. Sometimes, by losing a battle, you find a new way to win the war. Thanks for watching. If you found this summary valuable, subscribe for more insights from the world's most influential books.